Hi, I'm Patrick Fagan, and welcome to an Introduction to Jira and Agile 101 for Beginners. In this course, I'm going to walk you through the high-level concepts of Agile and an introduction to Jira. This course is designed for beginners, someone that's new to Jira, or someone that would like to learn more about Agile and possibly bring new tools to your job or your career. So what is Jira? Jira is a tool used to view and report on tasks, issues, and stories. We will discuss how to sign up for a free trial, build a backlog, set up sprints, create tasks, how to use epics, and understand team velocity. I have a background in project management and have ran multiple projects over my 20 years experience, and I really enjoy using tools that can make that experience smoother and more efficient. Again, this is an entry-level course for new users of Jira. Well, why take this course? If you go to Atlassian's website and look at their Jira training for fundamentals, I think it's $300 and you only get it for 30 days, where this training's unlimited. You can come back whenever you want. Also, they have a virtual training, and I think that is somewhere around $500. And for a team, it's $2,000, I think. So this is a great value. If you're ready to learn about Agile development in Jira, click below and let's get started.